Standard underscore init underscore linux.go:178, exec user process caused exec format error. Docker started throwing this error. Standard underscore init underscore linux.go:178, exec user process caused exec format error. Whenever I run a specific Docker container with cmd or entry point, with no regard to any changes to the file other than removing cmd or entry point. Here is the Docker file I have been working with, which worked perfectly until about an hour ago.
I forgot to put at the top of the sh file. Problem solved.
This can happen if you're trying to run an x86 built image on an ARM64/Arch64 machine. You'll need to rebuild the image using the corresponding architecture.
This error could also occur if an image was built on a MacBook Pro with an Apple M1 Pro chip, which is ARM-based, so by default the Docker build command targets ARM64. Docker in fact detects the Apple M1 Pro platform as Linux/ARM64/V8. Specifying the platform to both the build command and version tag was enough.
Add this code at the top of your script file.
Sure.